what you see behind me is Mahendragiri, which is the fourth of the ship, fourth and the last being built by MDL, and it will be delivered to the Indian Navy by February 2026. And will definitely be an asset to the Indian Navy.
भारतीय समुद्री ताकत को और भी अजेय बनाने जा रहा है INS महेंद्रगिरी, भारत का अगला सुपर स्टील्थ युद्धपोत। मझगांव डॉक शिप बिल्डर्स लिमिटेड के अनुसार ये पोत 2026 तक भारतीय नौसेना को सौंप दिया जाएगा और यही है प्रोजेक्ट 17A की सबसे चमकदार कड़ी। इस फ्रिगेट की सबसे बड़ी ताकत इसकी तकनीक नहीं, बल्कि इसकी आत्मा है, मेक इन इंडिया की आत्मा। INS महेंद्रगिरी में 75% से ज़्यादा उपकरण पूरी तरह स्वदेशी हैं। ब्रह्मोस जैसी घातक मिसाइलें, एडवांस पनडुब्बी रोधी सिस्टम और सतह से हवा में मार करने वाले हथियार, ये सभी इस युद्धपोत को एक मल्टी डायमेंशनल मार्क मशीन बनाते हैं। जहाज़ को स्टेल्थ डिज़ाइन से तैयार किया गया है, यानी रडार पर इसका पता लगाना बेहद मुश्किल होगा। जय वर्गीस, जो इस परियोजना के कार्यकारी हैं, उन्होंने INS महेंद्रगिरी की इंडिजिनस रॉकेट लॉन्चर प्रणाली और मॉडर्न फायर कंट्रोल के बारे में बताया। ये तकनीकें भारत के नौसेना युद्ध कौशल को 21वीं सदी के सबसे आधुनिक स्तर पर ले जाती हैं।
This is the P-17 Alpha class of ships. You can see in the background. It's 7 ships. The MDL is the lead shipyard for the P-17 Alpha class of ships, out of which 4 are being built in MDL and 3 in GRSC Kolkata. The first of the ship was the Nilgiri. The Nilgiri has already been commissioned and has joined the Indian Navy. In MDL, we are building 4 of this: Nilgiri, Udaygiri, Taragiri, and Mahendragiri. As is the culture, we all are named after hills, as you will notice from the names. This is a stealth class of ship being built in India with integrated construction. By integrated construction, we mean that we are building in blocks, and a lot of work which used to be done at the latest stages of shipbuilding is being done at a much earlier stage now, which effectively brings down the build period of ships. So this is a class of ship which has surface to surface, surface to air, and underwater capacities, and will definitely be an asset to the Indian Navy.
When it is expected to commission in Indian Navy?
This is what you see behind me is Mahendragiri, which is the fourth of the ship, fourth and the last being built by MDL, and it will be delivered to the Indian Navy by February 2026.
So, can you explain the primary weapons on board?
As I said before, we have surface to surface, surface to air, and underwater. Basically, the surface to surface is basically BrahMos class. Surface to air is there, and then you are having, I think, LR-SAM, MR-SAM as you call it now.
So what kind of anti-submarine warfare capability has it?
We do have rockets, IRL, indigenous rocket launchers for surface, and we have an anti-submarine war suit. For the underwater capacities.
How much of the ship's equipment and system are indigenously made?
In this class of ships, about 75% of the equipment is indigenized.
How does this ship contribute to Atmanirbhar Bharat vision and defense?
Definitely, a ship is an addition to the nation's aspirations for being independent and Atmanirbhar, because a ship by itself, during the building process, the large amount of indigenization which goes into it develops all the ancillary industries around us. So each of the industries which supplies, so OEMs which supply equipment, they also are developed indigenous, and when more indigenization takes place, all the ancillary industries also develop along with MDL itself. Secondly, a frigate adds a punch to the country's security.
INS महेंद्रगिरी का निर्माण भारत की उन्नत इंटीग्रेटेड बिल्डिंग टेक्नोलॉजी से किया जा रहा है, जिससे निर्माण तेज भी होता है और मजबूत भी। ये सिर्फ एक युद्धपोत नहीं, ये एक चलती फिरती राष्ट्रीय महत्वाकांक्षा है। ये दिखाता है कि भारत अब केवल रक्षा सामग्री खरीदने वाला देश नहीं, बल्कि बनाने वाला भी बन चुका है। और सबसे महत्वपूर्ण बात, यह जहाज़ भारतीय इंजीनियरों, वैज्ञानिकों और मजदूरों की मेहनत का प्रतीक है। 2026 में जब यह समुद्र में तैनात होगा, तब सिर्फ